leave of this court, I want to make one submission, Lordship. I want to make one submission with the leave of this honorable court.
Yes.
Lordship, all writ petitions are private in nature, Lordship. And Lordship has passed the interim order considering the amending law and order situation and that point to that 11. The order has very specifically in respect, para number 11, it is stated that it is only confined to those colleges where the CDC has been prescribed in uniform. But in spite of that, state has extended this order and enforced all the schools, degree colleges, all the colleges, Lordship. Even the schools, teachers also not spared.
Our order is very clear.
Yeah. For that reason, Lordship, just one report will be called from the state how it has been implemented down. Because Muslim community members are facing so much difficulty because of this order, Lordship, and every department is interpreting in a different way altogether. Every department, even yesterday, minority department has passed the order. Even where schools, which are Urdu schools, 100% Muslim populations are there. Teachers, all Muslims are there. They are enforcing that order, Lordship. This is causing a lot of chaos in the society, Lordship. Because our purpose was to prevent law and order situation, but it is creating further, Lordship. And the police are deployed in front of the gate. They are forcing Muslim girls and they are threatening if they are not removing. The order was said that in the class, but in spite of that, in the gate itself, police personnel are deputed to threaten them, to intimidate them, to remove their burqa and scarf.
I do not want to enlarge this controversy. I could have easily said, let them come with an affidavit. All that I'll request is, let him give me the details instead of the court. But we will instruct suitably to ensure that nobody acts beyond Lordship's interim order. But I'll assure your Lordship, there will be no cause of conflict. But provided not, he gives me the details in writing by way of a letter or something addressed to the advocate, so that I can act.
Lordship, I tell you my petitioners are
They
cannot give affidavit. If I give affidavit, the question will raise.
Not affidavit, sir. Is saying, give whatever in writing, give your complaint in writing to him. He will instruct the authorities to act in accordance with the Highcourt order only.
And let him be assured, there will be not even an inch.
Widely published in public media, in social media, all media houses, Lordship, how they
stand is they are acting strictly in accordance with the Highcourt order.
That's the last for that reason I
feel that there any individual case there somebody is violating the order or acting more than what is mentioned in the order, then give it in writing, give the specific instance there, and they will act on it.
We will call the commission. I will ensure that it is done. Let him address a letter.
In addition to this, some report also will be called from the state, Lordship.
On what basis?
Lordship, on the basis of implementation of the order, Lordship. The order was, purpose for the order to want an public order. Now it is creating divide in the society, Lordship. For that purpose only I am making submission.
All right, you file the application, consider.
Lordship, application, in which capacity I can file it? I am a petitioner, it's a private plea. It's now it's a question creating chaos in the society. My humble submission, Lordship, otherwise if Lordship will direct me to give a letter with all the proofs, I will provide it. I will submit it before the court also one copy that.
To him, he is very fair to the court. He is saying that he will act on it. Give it to him.
They are passing official orders, and even they are calling the minority institution TDP, and they are telling them to enforce that order. And they say it's a Highcourt order. Everywhere they are quoting, even Education Minister says it's a Highcourt order. I really could not understand how they are interpreting, Lordship.
Very difficult to respond if allegations are made against like this.
You implementing this order in the schools will order.
Unless anything is happening before us, we cannot take cognizance of that.
Our situation is very tight, very limited scope to address our grievances, Lordship.
Thank you.